Good morning, students. Today we start with the basics of data communications. So today we will cover these topics in the basics of DCN, that data communication, telecommunication and data communications. So when we communicate, we are sharing the information. This sharing can be local or remote. So what is local and what is remote? So between individuals, local communication usually occurs face to face, while remote communication takes place over some distance. Then next, the term telecommunication. So what is telecommunication? Which includes telephony, telegraphy and televisions, means communication at a distance. This word tele is a Greek word and meaning of this tele is far. Far means at some distance. That's why telecommunication means what? At a communication at a distance. Next one is the word data. So what is data? The term data refers to information presented in whatever form. So students, whatever form means what? Images, audio, video, text and numbers. So that's why the data refers to the information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using of that data. Now, what is data communication? So, data communications are the exchange of data between two devices. When we want to communicate by using the network, that time there is need of the sender and receiver also. And in between the two devices, we exchange the data. So data communication are the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Transmission medium means what? Anything that can carry from source to the destination. It is a physical path, means we use the wire and cable. Then next, there are some fundamental characteristics of this data communication. These are the delivery, accuracy, timeliness and jitter. Okay. So see one by one, what is delivery, what is accuracy, timeliness and jitter. Delivery means the system must deliver data to the correct destination. Data must be received by the intended device or user and only by that device or the user. So this is the delivery, where the system must deliver the data to the correct destination. Next one is the accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Accuracy is important here. The system must deliver the data accurately. So data that have been altered in transmission and left uncorrected are unusable. There is no use of this data if it is left uncorrected. Next term is timeliness. So the system must deliver data in a timely manner. The data which is delivered late are the useless. And next term is jitter. It is very important. Jitter refers to variation in the packet arrival time. It is the uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. So what is packet? Packets means set of messages. So these are the fundamental characteristics of the data communication. Now here is the next point, that is components of data communication, and it is also called as data communication system. If question is asked in the exam that explain the components of data communication or explain the data communication system, that time write down these components. Okay, so see the diagram. This is the diagram for the component of data communication. there are 5 components in this data communication, that are messages, sender, receiver, transmission medium and protocol. So here is the sender and another side there is a receiver. Sender is also called as the source, receiver is also called as the destination. So we send the data from source to the destination by using transmission medium. So what we send from sender to receiver? We send the messages from sender to receiver. So that for that purpose we use some set of rules, and set of rules means what? Protocol. So see one by one this component, that what is message, sender, receiver, transmission medium and the protocol. So message is the information or data to be communicated. So popular forms of information include text, numbers, pictures, audio and video. Next one is the sender. The sender is the device that sends the data message. So it can be a computer, it can be a workstation, telephone handset, video camera, etc. Then receiver. The receiver is the device that receives the message. It can be a computer, workstation, telephone, handset, television and so on. Okay. Then most important term is the transmission medium. So transmission medium means what? It can broadly defined as anything that can carry from source to the destination. That is the transmission medium. So here the transmission medium is a physical path by which message travel from sender to the receiver. So here are some example for the transmission media, that are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable and radio waves. Basically the transmission medium having the two types, that is guided media and unguided media. Okay. So next point is protocol. What is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules that govern the data communications, and it represents an agreement between the communicating devices. Okay, without a protocol, two devices may be connected but not communicating. Okay, like just as a person speaking French cannot be understood by a person who speaks only Japanese. So in this way the data are represent in the data communication system: text, numbers, images, audio and video, and these are the popular form of the data.